In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to play Murder Mystery 2 in mobile. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to find and play the Murder Mystery 2 experience. This is going to work on any mobile device, so if you have a phone or a tablet, either Android or iOS, you will be able to join and play Murder Mystery 2. It has full support for mobile devices. So from the home screen of Roblox, tap the little magnifying glass icon to look for Murder Mystery 2. Because it is a very popular experience, it is always going to be recommended here, so just tap on the option to autocomplete and you will be able to find it. Keep in mind that there are a lot of clones of Murder Mystery 2, so to confirm that you are joining the official experience, make sure that it is made by Nicholas and it has more than 17 billion visits and 90% of likes. Once you find the official experience, go ahead and tap the green button to join. Immediately upon joining, everything will load in, and you will have to choose your device. As you can see, they offer the option to play on a tablet or a phone. You have to choose the appropriate one because if you don't, the settings will be messed up. The menus will be all sorts of distorted, so go ahead and choose the appropriate one. In my case, it is going to be phone. Immediately upon choosing the appropriate one, you will load in and you can go ahead and play. So you can move with the option here, the joystick at the left, you can jump with this button at the right, and you will be able to interact with all of the menus. So you can go into the shop, go into your inventory, equip skins, equip effects, kill streaks, and so on, and there is a lot to change here. You can spectate the current player, so I'm just gonna let it play out for a little while. And this is all you have to do. The experience is fully playable on mobile, and like I said, it is going to work for any mobile device, so Android or iOS, or a phone or a tablet. Just go ahead and join, and you will get instructions on how to play. You will be able to either be the martyr or survive, and you can participate in events, collect items, emotes, customization items, and so on. There is a lot to do, and the experience is very popular with always having players online. I hope I was able to help you on how to play Murder Mystery 2 in mobile. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more very easy tips. Thank you for watching.